Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of a less patient US Federal Reserve. A few minutes ago, Janet Yellen left their official rates unchanged yet again, but she has signalled that the Fed wants to be reasonably confident on inflation before starting to lift rates. She all but ruled out an April rise, but the door is open after that. However, she said much will depend on wage rise data. Accompanying forecasts show that they don't actually expect inflation to rise to 2% until 2017. Immediately following the Fed statement, the US dollar fell, but the markets gave a big push to the New Zealand dollar across the board. Benchmark bond rates in New York also fell. Across the Atlantic, Sweden's central bank cut its main interest rate further into negative territory and will increase bond buys. The move followed a similar cut last month. In China, of 70 large and medium-sized cities surveyed, new home prices fell in 66 of them in February from the previous month. That's the biggest annual fall on record. In Australia, an American firm co-founded by a former advisor to US Vice President Al Gore is at the centre of a bribery scandal involving two former executives with the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, one of whom is apparently a Kiwi. An ASB account was used to launder some of the funds. US Treasury 10-year yields have fallen after the Fed statement to 2.02%. The crude oil price is holding at very low levels at $43 a barrel, and Brent crude fell below $53 a barrel on oversupply concerns as industry data indicated American crude stocks had hit a new record high. The gold price is basically unchanged at $1,151 an ounce, although the Fed statement also took a toll here too, immediately after the announcement. New Zealand dollar starts today very much firmer and is at 74.3 US cents, is at 96.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.